240a is equal to b raised to power 3, which means 2 raised to power 4 into 3 raised to power 1 into 5 raised to power 1 into a is equal to b raised to power 3. The concept tested here is that for this to be a cube and all are integers, as the question suggests, a and b are integers, the powers of each prime number has to be a multiple of 3. So this can't be 1 here, it has to be 3, 6, 9. This can't be 1 here, it has to be 3, 6, 9. So let's take the least possible case, because that would be necessary. So for 2 raised to power 4, 4 would not work, 4 is not a multiple of 3. So a must have at least 2 raised to power 2 in it, so that 4 becomes 6. And therefore this would be a perfect cube. A must also have at least 2 3's in it, so that 3 raised to power 1 becomes at least 3 raised to power 3. And a must also have at least 2 5's in it, so that 5 raised to power 1 becomes 5 raised to power 3. And now this turns out to be 900. So a has to be at least 900. So which of the following must be an integer? 900 upon 300 would be an integer. 900 upon 450 would be an integer. 900 upon 600 would not be an integer. There are some cases where it may be an integer, but must be, can't say. Therefore 1 and 3 alone, option D.